India has launched the first retaliatory strike after the horrific terror attack on tourists in Pahalgam. New Delhi has suspended the decades-old Indus Waters Treaty, closed the Atari-Wagah border, and issued a 48-hour ultimatum for Pakistani nationals to leave the country.
Any Pakistani national currently in India under SPES visa has 48 hours to leave India.
Here I am at the Atari-Wagah border, and for the travellers it has been closed. Normally we have seen that this is the only road crossing between India and Pakistan, but it has been closed now, so anybody who has visa cannot travel from this route anymore. Although the people who have already crossed in have been given time till 1st of May to cross over, and those having SAARC visas can return in within 48 hours.
The most significant of the diplomatic moves is the decision to keep the Indus Waters Treaty in abeyance. Brokered by the World Bank and signed in 1960, the treaty has long been seen as a symbol of rare cooperation between two hostile neighbors and was never halted even during the wars of 1965, 1971 and Kargil.
Whole water of this river in a shape of Neelam reached to the Pakistan and finally irrigates not only the Pakistani occupied Kashmir but also the Punjab province of Pakistan. Not only the Pakistani establishment, Pakistani government, but the people in Pakistan are much concerned that this option will give edge to the government of India.
76% of Pakistan's water needs are met from external sources. 90% of its agriculture is dependent on Indus waters. The Indus Basin powers not just farms but Pakistan's economy, contributing 24% to the GDP, employing 45% of its workforce and driving 60% of its exports. India's strike back does not stop here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has declared war against terror, promising to punish those responsible for the Pahalgam terror attack.
जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी।
भारत ने हमेशा सिंधु घाटी जल समझौते का सम्मान किया था, लेकिन माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का ये संदेश कि अब देशवासियों का रक्त और देश का पानी साथ नहीं बहेगा, मुझे लगता है ये अपने आप में बड़ा संदेश है और आगे के विषयों पर इंतजार करिए।
Pakistan has already accused India of water warfare, calling the suspension of Indus Treaty a threat to regional stability. The message from New Delhi is clear. Terror will not go unanswered, and water, once a symbol of cooperation, is now being leveraged as a tool of national security. With the suspension of the Indus Waters Treaty, India has signaled a significant shift in its approach towards tackling Pakistan-sponsored terror.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.